What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a video and showing you guys how I will be making $3,600 my first month on Amazon. So pretty much this is the step that I'm taking. I'm going to be like the, what do you call it, the mule. Basically, I'm going to be the one doing it first, and then as I get results, I will teach people who join my course or follow my Facebook group. Make sure you follow that. It's in the link in the description. Okay, this is not the product. I don't know why when I click this image was already here. I'm not going to show you my product of the course, but imagine this was my product. Not them, just imagine my product was there. I bought 1,000 units, right? And the cost per unit was $1.30. So, and the shipping cost was $60. So my total cost was $1,360. As you've seen in my video, if you watched my video from yesterday, you would see that how I got the loan for $1,000 and stuff like that. So if you're interested, click the link in the description for that video. It will still be up. So I paid $1,360 for that. And now we move on to the next step. How much I'll make my first month. So on Amazon, I will list my product for $35.99. The Amazon fee, because I'm not sending anything out, I'm not packaging it up. That's why it's called Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. You can do FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. So you'll have like a bunch of products in your house and you'll package it up and ship it to whoever orders. But it's best you do Amazon FBA because you'll rank better when coming to selling your stuff. So for example, if you was to do fulfilled by merchant and you have somebody doing fulfilled by Amazon, the person that's doing fulfilled by Amazon, they're able to get the Prime membership, which helps your sales rank over the person who's doing fulfilled by merchant, which is them sending it out by themselves. Now back to what I was saying. The Amazon fee is $7.33. This varies for different products, but for my specific product, this is the fee that it's gonna cost me for Amazon to handle everything once they get the product in their warehouse. The product cost would be $1.30, like I said in this up here. And I'll put times 10 because I'm putting 10 units. I'm basically, if you bought my item for $35.99, you're going to get 10 units. And mind you, I'm ordering 1,000 units. So when you divide 10 by 1,000, that's 100. That's 100 products that Amazon will be fulfilling. That's 100 products that I will have listed on my Amazon account that I will be selling for $35.99. So you guys can understand where I'm going with this. Okay, now the cost will be $13. Mind you, I paid $13 for each product now. $13 plus the Amazon fee. So right there, I spent about $20.33 on that product because, of course, the Amazon fee, as you can see, and the product cost. I know I think I'm explaining this wrong. No, I'm not explaining it wrong. Yeah, selling 10 units. So 10 units will be going to one person. I'm just bundling the product. That's all I'm doing. So now, as you can see, we're at $35.99. So let's just say you bought my product on Amazon for $35.99. What I will be getting paid from Amazon is $15.66. So if you was to buy one product from me, I would get paid $15.66. My net profit is $15.66 per unit sold. So if I have 100 units, then you would do $15.66 times 100, and then you will get, oh, I didn't even know I wrote down here. Well, like I was saying, if I sell 100 units, in 1 month, my profit will be $1,566. But that's not all, because that's just the profit. When you go to this slide, as you can see, 30 days and 1 month. So wait, why did I put that? I almost confused myself. Yeah. I get it. So I'll make $1,566 in 30 days if I sell 100 units. But the only difference is how you're gonna sell your units. The only way you're gonna be able to make money on Amazon is if you spend money on advertisement. And in Amazon, it's called PPC. It's like Facebook. It's like Facebook. You know how Facebook, you see sponsored products? The only difference is it's on Amazon. So Amazon has their own like software where you could pay to advertise. And each day I'm gonna pay $30 to advertise my product to people so I can get sales. So when you do $30 a day times 30 days, that's $900. So basically I spent $900 on advertisement for 30 days to sell 100 units, and my actual real profit is 66. Oh, that's the devil number right there. My actual profit is $666. I mean, if you think about it, that's not bad, because I'm only selling 100 units. I'm actually gonna be, once I sell out of this first batch, which I know I'm gonna sell out within 2 weeks, I'm gonna have to reorder. So my next order will be 200 units. So all you have to do is times this 200, times this 666 profit by 2, since I'm ordering 200 units once I sell out, because I already know I'm gonna sell out, and then I'm gonna run into a cash flow problem to where, yeah, I sold out of units, but then again, I need more units because I'm selling out so fast. So my whole goal is to get about 300 units, to sell 300 units a month. So if you like run the numbers and stuff like that, $900 a month, and then you subtract $900 from your actual profit, and then that's what you will get. But like I said, my first month I'm gonna make $666. It's because I have to get that sales velocity so I can rank to page 1 organically. So I don't have to spend money. I don't have to spend $900 on advertisement. I could just leave it there and it will just continuously make money. Make sense? Okay. Now that I got that out the way, mind you, you guys do not have to like start right away. You can just follow my journey, because I'm just showing you guys that I will actually make money and how easy it is to make money. I mean, it's not easy, but it's easy to people that are, that are just good at making money online. So if you haven't made a single dollar online, then yeah, you might struggle and might get discouraged and stuff like that, but that's how it is with anything. You gotta just, test. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm gonna be testing this product. I have confidence in this product that the product will sell, and I just wanna show my whole journey, just to prove to people that you can make money online like it's nothing. Literally, it's crazy. But that will wrap it up today. If you guys want to join my Facebook group, you can click the link in the description. I think I have around like 5 members now. So yeah, I'm just trying to build the Facebook group up, because I will be teaching people, and I'm pretty sure people is going to be really interested in wanting to know how I made money online once the product gets to Amazon. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be super interesting. But like I was saying, make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you follow the Facebook group down below. And that's about it. I'll see y'all tomorrow.